Hello guys, today we are going to make these amazing LED tubes with you. I want to have one of these LED tubes and I looked to see if I could get one from Amazon. But as usual, when I wanted to buy a quality product, I found a price I didn't want to pay. The solution was simple and I decided to design one immediately. After the design, I printed the necessary parts from the 3D printer. I decided to use 12V strip RGB LED in this product. I built a circuit with other products I have. Now, let's take a look at them. I will use a USB charging circuit to charge the batteries. I will use two 2500 mAh 18650 batteries and connect two batteries in series. I will increase the resulting 7.2V to 12V with a voltage regulator and feed the 12V LED strip. Finally, I will use a Bluetooth model for control from the cell phone, and we are ready. I started to build the circuit quickly and did the soldering work. Then I assembled the parts together. Here is the plan. With this charging circuit, I will charge two batteries connected in series. I will increase the 7.2V generated here to 12V thanks to together voltage regulator. After that, I used an on-off switch to turn the LED tube on and off. Finally, I used a Bluetooth model for control with a phone before the LEDs. I connected a 1.5 meter long RGB Strip Led to the output. According to my calculation, the batteries will burn these LED lights for 2.5 hours. Yes, our circuit is working. I want the LED tube to give light from one side like the products on the market. For this reason, I took a Plexiglass Tube and covered part of it with masking tape. I sanded the exposed part and painted it with black paint. I took the tape off after the paint dried. It looks really great. Finally, I placed the LED lights inside the plexiglass in a 3 rows in a zigzag shape and assembled everything. Everything was really great. I didn't expect this result. Before I show you as a Star Wars fan, I have to leave this scene. Everything works as I wanted and I am very happy with the result. As you can see, I can control the color of the LEDs from the phone and to make the effects I want. If you want to make this LED tube at home, you can find the necessary files in the description part of the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content.